Here you go, Roger. Here's this interesting little Jensen interceptor. I'll walk around it. The interior. It's done a nice job of the upholstery. It's the back end of the car, or its bum. Missing a reflector there on one side, but I think it's got all those bits and pieces. It's slowly getting there. On the side, and of course she's automatic, so it's torqueflite trans. I'll lift this bonnet up, and there's the old big block 383, and yeah, frost plug down the side, the back corner. And here's the bloody frost plug. Yeah, fancy that happening, but you can see it's not being tapped over properly. I don't know, I must have buggered off to lunch and forgot to peen it over, but anyway, yeah, it sounds nice. The motor sounds sweet. It hasn't been run in yet. He started it restoring it years ago, so the motor and trans sat around, which is probably not a good thing, but hey, it seems to run, and trans is all good, so we'll see. Anyway, I'll leave it at that.